Hi, in this video we are going to see the PhD admission notification from one of the National Institute of Technology, NIT, and here the multiple vacancies are there from the different departments, guys. And if you are having only post graduation, then also no problem. If you once got selected here, then you will get the fellowship from the institute, guys. And if you are qualified the UGC NET JRF and the remaining JRFs are there, you will get directly the fellowship from the corresponding agencies. And coming to the written test here, it is an online written test, guys. So you need not to go physically there to the NIT and writing the exam. So it is a very best option to the candidates who are preferring the PhD in the National Institute of Technology. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. So it will be really helpful to them, guys. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is National Institute of Technology, Meghalaya. So from this one, here we got the notice that admission to the PhD programs starting in July 2021, okay, full-time and sponsored. The part-time PhD is also there. Okay, so let's see the details regarding this one, guys. So here the complete details are kept. So I will show you slowly one by one. So here applications are invited for admission to the PhD program starting in July 2021 under the full-time as well as the sponsored part-time categories, and the disciplines are mentioned here. So first one is a civil engineering, second one is a computer science, the corresponding research areas are also mentioned here, and the next one is electronics and communication, and next one is electrical and electronics, mechanical engineering, next physics, and next chemistry. I think it is CY as a chemistry, and MA, okay, and humanities and social sciences. So here it is maths and humanities and social sciences, cultural studies, modern European drama and European literature, general studies, communication and English language teaching. Fine. So these are the different subjects, guys, and if you are not belongs to these subjects, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these subjects. Okay. And coming to the full time, the scholars under this category shall work full time for PhD courses or research. They may receive the fellowship offered by the institute as per the MHRD norms and other funding agencies. Okay, and coming to the sponsored or part-time fellowship, this PhD program for industry people, corporate and faculty of senior colleges. Okay, and where PhD is a requirement, employees from industries also apply. And coming to the eligibility for the admission into the PhD program for full-time scholars, master's degree in engineering or science or technology or humanities and social sciences or management sciences, or else master's degree in the allied subjects with consistently good academic record and a minimum of 60% and 55% in case of humanities and the social sciences, okay, or an equivalent in master's degree. And the candidates who are having only BTech, okay, they must have the aggregate, okay, 75% with valid gate score must be there. So if you are having the master's degree, then you may apply, guys. No need of UGC NET, CSIR NET, JRF and all these things, GATE also. But if you are having only BE or BTech and if you are trying for the PhD program, then you must have the 75% aggregate with a valid gate score must be there. And coming to the sponsored category, here the eligibility is master's degree in engineering or science or technology or humanities, that means the same thing, with minimum 60%, and candidates with BE or BTech 60% aggregate, okay, are eligible, and the relaxation is there for the SC, ST and PH as per Government of India norms. And employees from industries, corporate houses, research and R&D department, they may also apply. Coming to the application fees, 500 rupees for general and OBC and 250 rupees for the SC, ST category, and no application fee for the PWD candidates. Okay, and selection procedure is based upon the online written test or else the interview. That means based upon your academic qualifications and your research experience. Okay, they may directly call for the interview or else they may conduct the online written test. Fine. Shortlisted candidates based on the performance in written test will be called for interview. Both written test and interview will be completed on the same day. It may be extended for one more day depending upon the number of candidates appearing for the interview. Okay, that means written test is also online and interview is also online, because here the online written test is given. So both written test and on interview complete on the same day means, so if you write the written test online today morning, if you got selected, then you will be having the interview today afternoon or else tomorrow, based upon the number of candidates attending for the interview. Fine. And fee structure you can see here, and period of the candidate, PhD, you may check down. Okay, so how to apply means, so you have to go to the official website of this one. So fill the online application form. After filling up the online, I will show you here. Anyhow, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So we check down here, the online form is there. So if you click on this online form, then you will be directed to fill up the online registration form. But after filling up of the online form, then you have to send the hard copy also with payment proof, okay, by post to the mentioned address. Okay, so how to pay the fee is also there. Okay, the link is there here. So all the details are kept within this website, guys. And coming to the last date for filling up of online application form is 4th May 2021. Okay, and hard copy receiving last date is 18th May 2021. And the notification of shortlisted candidates for PhD program 24th May. Online written test and online interview is on 3rd June, and the display of selected candidates 9th June. Okay, so these are the details, guys. If you are having any queries, then you may put your query to this mentioned mail ID here, phadmission@natm.ac.in. So these are the detailed notification regarding the PhD admission in the NIT Meghalaya, which will provide you the fellowship, even though if you are having only post graduation without having any national eligibility test qualifications. If you selected for the full-time PhD in this institute, okay guys, you may get the scholarship. So these are the details, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. And if you are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I'm going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide